currently interning at YMCA in Barcelona, Spain. They serve families through their various programs.
I'm here doing a government internship with the Irish Parliament.
I work as a government intern on behalf of the NGO Americans for Democracy.
I'm here doing my internship with Global Experiences in Barcelona. I love it. I'm at an HIV clinic called ACAS.
They help people with HIV live and sustain healthy, normal lives.
The project is to help people with substance abuse issues.
Basically, we go out on the street and we help homeless people find hostels that they could stay at.
So I'm working for Senator Michelle Mulheron, and a lot of what she does is fighting for environmental rights and farming rights.
Being at Capitol Hill was unreal. Didn't think I would ever have an opportunity like that.
My internship is with a school. I am interning with the art teacher.
So good to be placed with different ethnic groups to learn all the issues that other societies face.
You'll never know how far you can push yourself until you get out of your comfort zone, right? It sounds scary, and it is a little bit scary, but I think that you should do it.